big fan. Oh, I'm a big fan of these Mitsubishi cars, and there's nothing wrong with being a fan of Mitsubishis. Some people like them, some people don't. I really don't care if you like them or not. I like them. They've performed well for me. I haven't had any issues with them. One of the problems I do have, however, is that finding parts for them is very difficult. So, these aren't going to be Mitsubishi only specific modifications. Cancel that. So, we're going to film from here. So right now we're at about maybe the, I'd say we're at about the 4-inch mark. And now we're at about the 10 3/4 inch mark, maybe 10.5, give or take. So that's about a 6.5-inch throw, roughly. Just a rough estimate. So what we're going to do is I'm going to start by going ahead, popping apart the center console here. I think it just pops up from here. I might be wrong, but I'm going to disassemble this center console, and we're going to look at how this shifter mechanism works, because all vehicles are very different. I don't see it being too big of a deal. I don't think this removes from here. It might. I don't know. We're going to go ahead and remove this. It looks like a 10 mil and a 12 mil. And go ahead and remove those. We're going to see what happens. So yeah. Hang on. I'm trying to hold my light so I can still see, but I think they just go. This one, and this one. And then, oh, yep, this weld out right here. And the reason we're going to do that is so that I can basically bring that and put it down here where this bend is, and it'll shorten this side by about 1 inch. Alright, so I had to put the camera down for a minute, but as you can see, we have it mounted back up. We did run into an issue. My dumbass forgot to put this piece back on, so we're going to leave that out. I think it's fine. Shouldn't make too much of a difference. But already you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and reverse. Already is much better. So we're just going to tighten these up here. Using a 10 mil on this one, and a 12 on that, and a torque, or not torque, say Allen key to hold it here. Tighten everything up, put it back together, and I'll throw the center console back down, and we'll see how much shorter the shift, the throw is on. Okay, so we're at perfect. Okay, we're gonna say we're at about, let's go from there. We're gonna hold the measuring tape right there. That's all the way forwards and all the way back to this side of the thing is 4 3/4 of an inch. So from that point, from the front point there to the front point here, about 4 3/4. So we took it from, with that mod, I think, what did you say originally, 6.5 inches or almost 7 inches of throw to whatever we just said the number was. I already forgot, 4.5 inches. So it's good. It'll be good when you're trying to do fast shifting. So, you know, whoops, you know. So we go first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Race mode. It's a pretty short throw. Yeah. So, anyways, I guess our little project worked. I'm gonna throw the center console back together now. And so yeah. Also, the other thing too worth mentioning is this shifter isn't actually screwed on all the way. So having a long shifter knob in itself will add throw to it. So, you know, if you want, I guess you could always modify your shifter knob as well. But yeah. Anyways.